Welcome grade 8 students to the maths class. Let us continue with our chapter number 7. Today I am going to explain you how to find cube root of the given number. I have taken for example 10,648. Just as we were doing in square root, we have to use prime factorization method over here. So first of all, we will be doing prime factorization of 10,648. Last digit is an even number. We can go with 2. Dividing by 2, we will get 5,324. Again, we can go by 2. We will be getting 2,662. Again by 2, we will be getting 1,331. Now we cannot do by 2, we will go by 11, we get 121. Again by 11, we get 11, and then by 11 we get 1. Now here we are going to do the pairs of triplets. We have to form triplets. So here we have 3 times 2 and 3 times 11. We got the triplet. This means that 10,648 is equal to 2 cube multiplied by 11 cube. Now we are supposed to find the cube root of 10,648. So we will be adding cube root sign on both the sides, that is LHS and RHS. So cube root is written in this manner. Now from right hand side we can remove the cube root sign as well as the cubes over here. So here we get it as 2 into 11, which is 22. So cube root of 10,648 is 22. This is the whole sum. Hope you all got it. How to find the cube root? It is very easy. By factorization method you have to do it and form the triplets, group of 3. Okay, now let us move to our next question. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. This means that the number which is given to us is not a perfect cube. We need to multiply a smallest number by which we can make that number a perfect cube, and then we have to find the cube root of that given number. For example, let me take, this is multiplying by smallest number to get a perfect cube. So for example, let me take first number as 675. This means 675 is not a perfect cube number. Let us do prime factorization of 675. We can divide it by 3. We get 225. Again by 3 we get 75. Then by 3 we get 25. Now we cannot divide by 3. We will divide by 5. So we get 5. And again by 5 we got 1. Now here you can see 3 is in a group of triplet, but 5 is not in a group of triplet. 1 5 is missing to make it a group of triplet. So we have to multiply 675 by 5 to get 5 into a group of triplets. So here we have to write, therefore 675 is equal to 3 cube multiplied by 5 square. Right? Therefore prime factor 5 is not in a group of triplet. Therefore, by multiplying 675 by 5, we get a perfect cube. So let us multiply it by 5. 675 multiplied by 5, we get 3375. Now this number which we got, 3375, is a perfect cube number, right? Therefore 3375 will be equal to 3 cube into 5 cube. Right, now we are supposed to find the cube root of it. Therefore cube root of 3375 will be cube root of 3 cube into 5 cube. From right hand side we will be removing both the signs, that is of cube and cube root. We get 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. Therefore cube root of 3375 is 15. And the main question of ours, that is, which is the least number by which we multiplied 675? It is 5. So we have to write the final answer. Therefore 5 is the required smallest number. Right? 5 is the required smallest number. Hope you all understood this. Now the next method of ours is dividing the given number by the smallest number to get a perfect cube, and then finding the cube root of the new number found. Right? Dividing by the smallest number to get a perfect cube. And for example, let me take 135. So here also 135 is not a perfect cube. So first of all, let us do prime factorization of 135. We can do it by 3. We get 45. Then by 3 we get 15. Again by 3 we get 5, and then by 5 we get 1. Here you can see that 3 is in a group of triplet, but 5 is alone. So if we divide 135 by 5, we get a perfect cube number. Therefore we have to write 135 is equal to 3 cube into 5. Here prime factor 5 is alone. It is not in a group of triplet. Therefore, we have to divide 135 by 5 to get a perfect cube number. So let us divide it. 135 divide by 5, we get 27. And what is 27? 27 is 3 cube. Now we have to find cube root of 27. So that will be cube root of 3 cube. From right hand side we can remove both the signs. So cube root of 27 is 3. And also we have to write our final answer, that is thus the required smallest number by which 135 should be divided to get a perfect cube number is 5. We divided it by 5. So 5 is the required smallest number. Now the last pattern of this chapter, it is finding the cube root by estimation method. We are not supposed to do any factorization over here. We are just going to assume it, that is we are going to estimate it. So estimation method. For example, let me take 4913. Here we are going to do groups of this number. We are going to divide 4913 into 2 groups. How you will divide it? You are supposed to take last 3 digits together. आगे जितने भी digits हो चलेगा, last 3 digits should be taken together. Now last digit is 3, right? Last digit is 3. So groups कैसे करेंगे हम इसका? Groups will be 4 and 913. इस तरह का हमने group किया है. Now what is in units place? Units place digit is 3. Remember your properties. Property number 3. अगर यूनिट प्लेस में 3 है तो क्यूब के यूनिट प्लेस में क्या होगा? Therefore digit in unit place of cube root will be 7. ठीक है, 3 और 7 का पेयर होता है, राइट? सो अगर यूनिट प्लेस में क्वेश्चन में 3 है तो आंसर में क्या रहेगा? 7. नाउ फॉर टेंस प्लेस we have to see this number 4. 4, is it a perfect cube number? No. Then 4 lies between which 2 cube numbers? Right? 1 cube क्या होता है? It is 1. And 2 cube क्या होता है? 8. So does 4 lie between 1 and 8? Yes, 4 lies between 1 and 8. So we have to take the smaller number, not the greater number. 8 जो है वो 4 से बड़ा है, तो हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा? 1 लेना पड़ेगा. 1 is less than 4 is less than 8. So 1 क्या है? 1 cube is less than 4 is less than 2 cube. Right? So we will be taking this digit, not the greater one. We have to take the smaller digit. Therefore the tens digit of cube root will be equal to 1, right? Therefore, our estimated cube root of 4913 will be tens place में 1 और units place में 7. So that will be 17. You can even check it out. 17 का क्यूब निकाल के देख सकते हो. It will be 4913. और अगर आप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से 4913 का क्यूब रूट निकालना चाहो, that also you can do. You will get the answer as 17 only. So students, this was all about our chapter number 7, that is cubes and cube roots. A very small chapter of your syllabus. Hope you all understood it. Do practice well from your textbook as well as practice book. Thank you.